Hi, I'm Faith, and you're watching Willoughby DIY. Today's video is a shopping haul video. And before we get started, I just want to let you guys know, I really wanted to do like a traditional shopping haul video where I just show my face, show the items, sort of more of a conversation, but I couldn't do that. I'm still a little camera shy, but also it's been really rainy here. And so my kids have been stuck inside and it's been super loud in here. No quiet time whatsoever to get a video like that recorded. So anyway, I hope you forgive me for that and we'll get right into it. So I've got some finds from the Dollar Tree, Goodwill, and even one special item I wanted to share with you guys from Amazon. These are new to me Dollar Tree finds. And they may not be new to you, but I've never seen them at my Dollar Tree before. First things I'm going to show you are these tools. I found this 2-piece chip brush set, which I've never seen like 2-pack chip brushes at my Dollar Tree, let alone the 2-inch size one. So pretty happy about finding these. And these could be just like an overstock or liquidation item, but I don't know. Let me know if your Dollar Tree carries these regularly or if the ones I usually frequent are just really poorly stocked. I also found this, what they're calling a craft scraper, but I'm pretty sure it's like one of those things for transferring like Cricut vinyl and stuff. But it could definitely be used to transfer the rub-on transfers that you get at the Dollar Tree. It also says that it can clean large areas, so might be useful at getting all the hot glue off my desk. I also found this craft spatula, and I think this is also another like Cricut vinyl tool. I don't have a Cricut. I don't know. I'm just basing this off videos I've watched. But it's got a metal spatula and the handle is plastic. And I got this because, try as I might, I cannot find the silicone makeup applicator to use to hold down and like smooth out hot glue while it's hot. So I figured this might work just as well. I also found this wood carving set. I got this one for my husband. I gotta go back and get me one for, get one for myself. But he opened this like after I'd already recorded this, and it's got like real wood handles. Kind of nodded, so it must not be too bad. But you can't beat that for $1. I mean, $0.25 per tool, it's pretty awesome. And I'm not sure if these are new, but I have not seen them before. My Dollar Tree always has a very sparse canvas selection, but these 8x8 inch square canvas panels are new to me. And I thought these could be used in a lot of ways for crafting. Also, this chalkboard paint. It's the first time I've ever seen any sort of chalkboard paint at the Dollar Tree. And while recording this, I realized this is a plaid product, which is pretty cool. So I don't know if Dollar Tree is going to start carrying this regularly or if it was just one of those random items that managed to make it to my Dollar Tree. But I'm pretty happy I found it. I picked up a couple of those. I also always look for new stencils to grow my stencil collection all the time, every time I go to the Dollar Tree. And I found 3 new ones this time. The first one is this flower stencil, which I think is super awesome. A lot of different styles of flowers, and I always want to add like a flower embellishment to stuff, and I don't really want to print out something or draw up something, so this will make that a really quick and easy thing I can do. And I really like this font. Anytime I see a new font at the Dollar Tree, font stencil, I grab it. Because I'm always hand painting, hand lettering stuff, and this just makes that like so much easier. So, much faster. And I really like this font, it's very cute. My favorite stencil I found is this one though. Stars are super hard, and anyway, so finding this stencil is super awesome. Plus, we got 4th of July right around the corner, and we'll be doing some crafts for that, so this will come in handy very, very soon. And of course the paper pack. I showed this in my Easter special video. It's not my last video, but the one before it. But this is a really awesome deal. I mean, look, it's got some floral print papers, and it's got different color papers, even the dreaded glitter paper, which is already making a mess inside the packaging. But it mostly has a lot of brown papers, but still, for $1, I think it's a really good find. And I found a couple of decorative items as well. I've never seen this one before, and it's one of those thick MDF plank ones. I love that metal accent on the sides. And I'll probably customize this a little bit more, but I thought it would be really awesome to maybe add on to a coffee bar organizer of some sort that I want to make soon. Still undecided on exactly how I want to do it, but I could still use this even if I don't use it in my coffee bar. And yes, I know garden flags are not near the Dollar Tree, but I've never seen this gnome one. It says keep life simple and it has 3 adorable little gnomes on it. So if you love gnomes, go check your Dollar Tree. I found this at mine. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for sneak peeks, updates, and behind the scenes stuff. And also go check out my Facebook group. I'll have the links posted in the description box down below. And these are items that I know you know Dollar Tree has them, but I have not been able to find them. First up is this lace ribbon. I've seen so many people using it, and I've been so jealous because I want it so bad. And I finally found it, so I'm really happy about that. And I always find this jute ribbon, but the other 2 styles, I'd never seen them at my Dollar Tree before, so I grabbed a few of each of those. I was really happy about that too. Still can't find the leather ribbon though, sadly. But these I'm so happy about. Definitely going to be using these in upcoming videos. The open slatted crate boxes. I only ever find these ones that are closed, but I finally found the crate ones with the open boards on it, so I'm really happy about that. I grabbed a bunch of those. And I also found these little boxes. I usually only find the ones with the like slanted sides, so I was really happy to find the boxy ones. So maybe a little wood mini tier tray coming up soon. Here are my thrifted finds from the Goodwill, and it's not very many, just a handful of things. I did buy more, and I bought these probably over a month ago, but I did want to share them with you guys. I know everybody knows you can get mason jars at the thrift store, but I just wanted to show these to you because I actually was able to find 3 different sizes, all with the little fruit embellishment on the side. So I have a big one, a regular size one, and then this little cute one. And I want to make like a canister container set with these, so I was really happy about that. And this little cutie right here, I only paid 69 cents for it. I would have bought 20 of these. It's just so cute. That was the only one I could find. And this basket is super awesome. Can't wait to change that red color. I mean, I love red, but this shade of red just, I don't know, gives me a headache or something. Makes me anxious. But I only paid like $1 for it, so not bad. And the Amazon item I was super excited to share with you guys is this ring light. It's 10.2 inches and it only cost me $15 when I bought it. I'm not sponsored and I don't have affiliate marketing or anything, but I will link it down below for you guys. So if you really need a light, I recommend this, especially if you have a very low budget you're working with. But everything you see here on the box, it comes with the foam mount, and it's got a remote to control the 3 different light colors, and it's dimmable, which is super awesome. And it has the tripod there you see it setting on, as well as another phone accessory and this Bluetooth shutter button, which is super nifty. So if, like me, you were having trouble finding a really budget friendly lighting for your videos, or if maybe just lighting was holding you back from making videos, this is a really great option. and I just wanted to share it in case it helped out someone else out there with their videos. And these are some supplies I'm going to be using soon in some videos coming very soon. These candlesticks, I don't know, maybe a tiered tray or something like that. And then I got these things to make a tray for my bathroom, so bathroom DIYs incoming. That's really all that I found that I really wanted to share with you guys. If you like this sort of video and want to see more like it, or maybe a shop with me video, just let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and consider subscribing. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. As always, I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all next time.